Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher Karachi.
Did you know the sound of F? Now read with me, hooray! My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Is for fish, it jumps up happily. Is for frog, it hops, hop, hop with glee. Is for flower, it smells so sweet to me. Bye bye friends, see you next day. We'll learn new sounds, hip hip hooray!
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact Akhtar Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.